there, folks. Today I'm here to show you guys how to make a target for your airsoft gun. This won't work for like real guns or paintball guns, but it'll work for airsoft. So here we go. First, you want a box about this size. I used a ZigTech. I used a ZigTech box, and yeah. So I'm gonna put this off to the side because I already did this one. So, and I don't have another ZigTech shoebox, so I'm just gonna use this thing. It'll be kind of the same, but alright. What you'll also need is some tissues, scotch tape, duct tape, Elmer's glue, and toilet paper. This is optional, but so you don't need it, but I like using it. So first, take your Elmer's glue and you want to spread it all around under there. I'm not going to do it to this, but just spread it all over. Alright? And then I'd say take about, sorry about that, guys. I'll try and edit that out, but alright. So I'd say about I don't know, how much is that? 10 sheets. And then put it in one spot, like there, and just keep covering it all over. I'm not going to use 10 sheets everywhere, but for the real thing, that's what you want to do. Alright, so it should look like that, and your glue's going to be there. Alright, so you want to take your Elmer's glue again, glue that down, alright, and then I'd say take about 5 tissues, it's not 5 tissues, like that, and you just want to put it like that, so that the whole bottom is covered. Remember, you're going to need a lot of these if you're filling up a shoebox, so just like that. And then you take your duct tape, or I have Gorilla Tape, and you tape it down. Alright. So you do that, you tape it down, and then, okay, sorry about that. And then you take your scotch tape, and then you put it across like that, both sides. Oh, did I tell you, you need to print out a target. And then you shove your target right under here, and then tape it. Alright, and then your ZigTech box, it will have a side flap. Here, one sec. We'll have this side flap right here. So I want to tape that down with duct tape. And then as you see here, this is my finished one. You do that with a target. I like putting tape right here, and then across. Alright, there's inside of the box. Inside of it, as you can see, this is nice and soft because there's tissue under there. And now bullets cannot go through it. I don't know if you can see it, but there's tiny bullet marks right there. I didn't go through it. There's things on the back because of last time I was shooting this, I didn't really realize you needed padding inside, so it went right through it, and that's why I did this. And yeah, remember, the toilet paper is not optional, but I like to have it. So that's what I like to do for my target building. And good luck to you. If you have any better targets, maybe you can post a comment video. Show me how to build it. Maybe I can make one if you let me. Put it on my account if you guys let me. I won't do it if you won't let me. But there you go. That's how to make a pretty simple target. Not that expensive. You don't need a ZigTech box, but I like having that. So yeah, this has been a message from Max Airsoft, and have a wonderful